Hello, in this 5-Minute Friday, we're going to talk about creating smooth video using interpolation in waypoints. I picked this because a client recently reached out and asked why a video they had created at a client site wasn't as smooth as it should have been. The client had used points of interest as a way of controlling where the camera would be pointing during the flight. If you don't want the camera just following the path of the drone, this is a great way to do it. Using points of interest not only controls the direction of the camera, but the gimbal angle too. So this can be a simple and effective way to set up the shot you want. However, if you want smooth video, then you have to make sure that you set the interpolation value correctly. Interpolation on a point of interest can be found at the marker, so the easiest way to get to that is just to click on it. In this case, the client had somehow set the interpolation value to none. This results in the camera remaining locked onto the point of interest until it hits the next marker and switches. If you change the interpolation value to either linear or curves, this will cause Dronelink to know that what you really want to do is to start looking at the first POI and then smoothly transition to the next POI over the course of the flight. So let's preview this and see what it looks like in Google Earth. As you can see, the transition to the second waypoint is quite abrupt. So let's see if we can fix that. By changing the interpolation value to curved, we should now get a smoother video. Now that we've fixed it, as soon as it hits the first point of interest, it immediately starts transitioning towards the second point of interest, resulting in a much smoother flight. This is much more what the client was looking for, and it's a 2-minute fix. And that's it. I hope you found this video useful. And if you'd like me to cover other subjects in a future 5-Minute Friday, just comment below and let me know. Thanks.